of Student Involvement and Developmental Programs within the Office of Student Involvement here at UC Merced. Today I'm going to be briefly introducing our RCO Roundtable discussion series. It's a new series that we're starting for our registered clubs and organizations, and really the goal of it is to provide a collaborative space for our clubs and orgs to get together, to talk about their concerns, to talk about their challenges, and share ideas with each other. We really hope that this new series will benefit you all or provide you the resources that you need in order to be a successful organization. We hope to see you there.
Hello everyone, my name is Harry, and I'm currently a registered clubs and org student assistant. The way we're going to facilitate this conversation/discussion for the RCO Leadership Roundtable discussion series is one of our student assistants/student interns will be hosting and facilitating this meeting/discussion. Once again, we emphasize this discussion so much is simply because of the fact that this is going to be a collaborative atmosphere. Keep in mind, like Haley said, it's not supposed to be a workshop, it's not supposed to be a presentation, but a place for us to take discussion and take our ideas and sort of do an exchange of that to different various leaders from different clubs and organizations. So this is a safe space to talk about the ideas, certain improvements we can make regarding each topic. And once again, our student assistants/interns will be facilitating this meeting through Zoom. And we have flyers posted on our Instagram page, which is UC Merced OSI. So yeah, we hope you all can check it out. And next thing up, I'll pass it over to my coworker, Rigo. He is also a RCO student assistant.
We as a team want to make sure that everything has purpose in this discussion. That's why we want to make sure that you guys know the benefits of what these roundtable discussions can bring. These discussions can really teach you and your organization how to have membership engagement. You as leaders know especially how difficult leading an organization can be online. We want to make sure that your guys' work is efficient. So learning how to make efficiency through your work is very important. We want to also get the benefits of helping you guys learn how to work as a team and making your future collaborations possible, whether it's within your organization or with other organizations. The RCO team wants to make sure that these benefits really structure themselves around your organization, and we hope that these benefits can help you be successful in the future.
We have a couple of roundtable discussions coming up. The first one is FSL Leaders Roundtable discussion, where we're going to focus on member engagement. We are calling all chapter leaders, joint fellow officers, and the FSL office as we discuss how we can increase virtual member engagement and plan for fall 2021. Join us on April 1st, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. We hope to see you there, and all relevant Zoom information is posted on this flyer. For the second one coming up, we have RCO Leadership Roundtable discussion focusing on new member engagement. Join us on April 20th, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. and we will have a conversation on how we can make our new members of the organizations feel welcome and included in this virtual setting. And once again, all relevant Zoom information is posted on this flyer, so feel free to join us. We hope to see you there.